Welcome to another episode of the Hembry Farm. Today we unbox the 7-piece Cangshan knife set purchased from Costco. It's 7-piece, comes with a great bag, and it's geared more towards barbecuing. It's shipped in a generic box, and then this is what the proper box that would be on the shelf looks like. That's the website, and that's as you can see on the box, that's everything that comes in it. So for $99, so far so good. Very pleased with it. It is packaged well, as you can see. Things just aren't thrown in. It comes with sheaths for each knife, as you can see right there. It comes with a total of actually 6 knives and 1 fork. And they're beautiful knives. The handle is a rounded handle. Very nice feel. The knives aren't too heavy. This is unpacking it right here. And really what I was going for is I needed a carving knife and a carving fork, or slicing knife and carving fork. Never had one or either of them, and figured it was time. $99 seemed like it was a very good set. So it comes with a knife bag, which apparently is cut proof, which is good, or cut resistant maybe. 11-inch slicing knife and sheath set. Comes with a 10-inch butcher's knife, as you see here, which I have not used yet. It comes with the 7-inch Nakiri knife and sheath. That is a vegetable cleaver, I believe is what they deem that as. A 6-inch boning knife and sheath. I did use that. Very sharp, very little effort to cut through a nice piece of meat. It also comes with a 3.5-inch paring knife and sheath, which I have not used yet, but if it's like the other ones I've used, like that one, the slicing knife, it cut a ribeye roast perfectly, exactly how I would expect. And the addition of this fork here, the 6-inch carving fork, I can't believe I never had one before. It is amazing. So those two things right there are exactly what I was looking for. And by God, I have them now. And I couldn't be happier. So they fit in this case that I have them in. And since this is geared towards barbecuing, I'm going to keep it in my barbecuing area, at least the one that I'm building. But they all fit in perfectly nice. So the 7-piece, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's really 6 pieces. It's 5 knives, 1 fork, and a bag. And that's considered the 7-piece. For $99 at Costco, Costco.com. I was looking at one knife that cost $200. So I don't know why I was looking at that when these work perfectly fine. I can't wait to use that butcher knife on a big piece of meat, big piece of beef, I'm sure, is what that knife needs. The vegetable cleaver I have not used yet. And that one right there, that one, as you can see at the ending here when I'm cutting the bone off of the ribeye roast, really just very little effort to cut it. The paring knife, I've never had a paring knife, so I don't really know what it's for, but I will find out. But slicing knife right there. So this is what you get from the Costco $99 Cangshan Cutlery Company from Costco.com. So again, very pleased so far. It comes from China, but it is German steel, and the German steel needs to be taken care of properly. So you can't put it in the dishwasher. Only use it with warm water and soap. Hand dry it, make sure it's clean, and then put it away. Make sure it's clean and dry. So as you can see here, it cuts like I like it. And oh, that's making me hungry. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and tell me what you thought. Thank you.